Hi girls, good morning. Today's our sixth lecture for digital circuit and fundamental of microprocessor. Last five lecture we have seen the number system, binary arithmetics, Boolean equations, Boolean algebra, and the sum of product also. Now, in this lecture, we are going to see the product of sum, right? Sum of product, this is the common slide for the sum of product and product of sum. It is a three variable. This is three variable 0, 0, 0. In min term, it is a complement, b complement, c complement. 0 is act as a complement in min term. In max term, 0 is act as a only. 0 will not act as a complement, but it is a in max term it is represent a oring with b oring with c. We can say a plus b plus c, right? It is denoted by capital M. So today's our lecture is depend on only the max term, because last lecture in lecture number 5 we have seen the min terms and the k map, right? Now it is a sum product of sum. We have seen the sum of product, right? And now this lecture we are going to see the product of sum. Product of sum, each cell in a K map represent the max term. It product of sum, it is represent the max term. Sum of product, it is represent the min term, right? If there is n variables for the given boolean function, right? Whatever the equation we forms, that is called as the boolean function. Then the k map will have the 2 to the power n set, right? This we have seen into the sum of product. If we have a two variable only, a and b, so our cells for the k map is 2 to the power n, that is equals to 4 cell only. If our K map is three variable, so the number of cells in a K map is 2 to the power 3, that is a 8 cell. So this is the equation. If the variables are there 4, so your number of cell in a K map is 2 to the power 4, that is a 16. So this is the cell and graphical representations. And we will fill the cells with 0 whose max term, right? In min term, sum of product, it is 1. We are focusing on 1, means high. And in max term, product of sum, we are focusing on output as a 0. So now we'll see that, right? This is a two variable cell, right? X and y, only two variable. So how many cells has to be there into the kmap? It is a 4 cell, right? So this is 1 2 1 2 3 4. So we denoted as in a corner 0 1 2 3, right? So now this is x y, x complement y. So we'll write here the 0 0 0 1 1. Now this is what 0 0, right? So this is what 0 0 means. What this column, if it is a 0, so it is represented x plus y. Here x plus y complement, this is y complement. Here x complement plus y, and here x complement plus y complement. It's just the reverse of the sum of product. Product of sum is just the reverse of the product of sum. So our first condition, our first steps is that we need to numberize this cell 0 1 2 3. If it is a 4 2 variable, it doesn't matter that much. But if it is a more than 2 3 4 variable, we need to numberize first cell, right? So it is represent, instead of x it can represent 0 1 0 1, as we have seen in a earlier sum of. Now this 0 means what? This x is what? X complement. X is what? Only x. And this x is equals to 1 means what? It is a x complement. Y is equals to 0 means it is y only, and y is equals to 1 means it is a y complement. Each, so if the max term is there, so it will denoted 0. If it is not max term, then it is denoted by 1, right? In max term we need to focus on only 0. So this is a two variable of k map. Their term will find in this way: x plus y, x plus y component, y complement y x complement plus y and x complement plus y complement. This is two variable. Now we'll see the three variable. If it is a three variable, how many cells are there? 2 to the power 3. There is a 8 cells in a K map, right? So now x, y, z, right? This is x, right? So as per these three variables, so what is the maximum combination? It is 0 to 7. 8 combinations are there. How it is that we have seen already into the binary form, that is 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 and 0 1 1. Then it is start 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 and 1 1 1. So how we will numberizing of this cell? 0 1 2 and 3, right? 4, 5, 6, and 7. Whatever we have done into the sum of product, the same are here in the product of sum numberizing and. So now for first cell, all are 0, all variables are 0. X 0, y 0, z 0. So what will be the term of this? It is x plus y plus z, right? Now, what will be the term of here? X is equals to 0, y is equals to 0, but z is equals to 1. So, what is the term of this cell is x plus y plus z complement, right? X plus y plus z complement. The term of here is what? 0, 1, 0. So, what is the term is x plus y complement plus z, right? Now, what is the term of here? 0, 1, 1. So, x plus y complement plus z complement, right? Now, what is the terms of here? X is equals to 1 and y and z is equals to 0. So, here x complement plus y complement plus z complement. Now, here sorry, x complement plus y x complement plus y and plus z, right? Now what is the term is here? X complement plus y plus z complement. X complement plus y plus z complement. X complement plus y complement plus z complement. X complement plus y complement plus z here in this term. So in this way, we should understand what is the algebraic function for this cell, this cell, this cell, the term of algebraic functions, right? So this is a three variable. When we find this, so we can match with this variable, right? Now we are going to see the four variables, that is w, x, y, z. So now you can follow this method only, x, y, z, and first your variable start from here, x, y, z, right? Now here there are the four variables. So the two variables are here, w, x, y, z, right? Four variables means 2 to the power 4. The total cell are 16 in the K map, right? So 16 means 4 into 4, right? W, X, Y, Z. So now this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, as we have seen in a POS form, sum of product. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, right? First you have to numberize 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now see the term here, x complement plus y complement plus z complement. So what will be the term of here? All the terms are 0. So what will be the here? W plus x plus y plus z complement. Now here y and z are 1 1. Rest all the terms means w and x is 0. So here it is w plus x plus y complement plus z complement. Now here the w and x are the zero terms, so w plus x plus y complement plus z, because y is 1 and z is 0. The same as we can follow here whole K map. So now we can see the term of this 15 all are 1. So what is the term of this 15 cell is w complements plus x complements plus y complements plus z complements, right? So now this is the sum product of sum, and these whole terms are product, and that forms the boolean equation, boolean function of this. Now we see the example. Now how it is the repeated terms, how we can reduce the pair, how we can find the pairs, and what is the rule. So there is a rule for two pairings, two pairings. So consider the following four variable of K-map. As we have seen, pair is reduce the reduction rule. So the update pair are after reducing are given. Now we can consider this first, right? First pair is this. Now what is this? 0 is denoted by w plus x complement plus y complement plus z complement, right? This number 4 cell, right? Number 12 cell, it will denoted by w complement plus x complement plus y plus z, right? Both are here. W plus x complement plus y plus z, w complement plus x complement plus y complement. What is the same here? The constant is that x complement y and z. The change is what? W to W complement. So we can remove this term, and only while pairing this, only three terms are there: x complement plus y plus z complement for this. So we can say that here it is changing from W to W complement. So it is only x complement because it is the same for both the terms, and y plus z complement, right? For we can take this example of this pairing also. For this number 3, what is the term is there? W plus x plus y complements plus z complements. What is the term of 7? W plus x complement plus y complements plus z complement. What is the change is here? Only x to x complement. So leave this term and consider this w x complement plus y z complement, right? W plus y complement plus z complement. So this is the term. So it is reducing the variable, we are minimizing the gates. If we are reducing the variable, we are pairing the terms. That means we are reducing the gates, we are minimizing the algebraic equations, right? Now this is the pairing of two. So it can be pair for here, 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 it can be pair for here. These two zeros has to be paired close to each other, right? Concept. Pair of four. We can see the pair of four. These are the examples of pair of four. Now see this first term. This is a four pair, right? First term is w plus x plus y plus z. Second term is w plus x complement plus y plus z complement. Third term is w complement plus x complement plus y plus z. Fourth is w complement plus x plus y plus z. Now here we can see in all the terms w and x are changing, but y and z are the constant. So pairing of 4, only the answer is there y and z, right? So while solving a problem, if you are doing a pairing, you need not to do these things. You should be familiar, you should be understand properly. So now pairing of 4 means only this is y plus z, right? Now because all the w's and x for all the zeros are changing their state 0 to 1 or 1 to 0, so we should not consider the change of state 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. We will consider only those are the constant for all the zeros, all the terms. So only y and z are constant for this pairing of four zeros, right? So the answer of this term is y and z. Instead of using this, how many OR gate we will use and how many these things we will do, instead of that, only two variable for the resulting there. So this is what it is, a minimizing your booleans function by using a KMAP. It is a very easiest method to minimize the functions, right? Now consider this four pair. Now here y w plus x and w plus x complement, right? Now here y complement plus z complement plus y plus z complement. What is not change here? W is not change here, right? X are changing. So pick up the w. Now here what is the changes here? Z is change, y is not change. So what is the term for these four zeros? Is a w plus y complement. It is what? W plus y complement. So you have to understand logically first. We should not take the change. We
Ma'am,
will take only the constant
uh,
variable for pairing.
ma'am,
It is a factor reduction rule, right? Now we'll consider, we will see the examples, that time we will solve the problems
Miss,
also. No? Yeah. Hello. हाँ
hello
हॅलो.
Miss. प्रणाली
हाँ
बारकी येते. ती जॉईन नाही होऊ शकत आहे. तुम्ही
हाँ
तिला जॉईन करून घ्या ना. ती तेच बोलते.
okay, okay,
हां,
okay, okay, I'll join her.
हां.
Ask her to this. Hello.
Yes, Miss, I'm telling you.
So we'll continue, let her come and I'll accept her. Huh? Okay. So now this is a octal reduction rule. We have seen reductions rule, that is a pairing of four zeros. Now here the octal reduction rules means it is a pairing of eight zeros, right? It is pairing of eight zeros. Now see, in the pairing of 80, what will be the answer if pairing of two zeros? Three variables are there. If pairing of uh, four zeros, two variable answer. If pairing of octals, so it is only one variable answer. So now here w plus x and w plus x complement, and rest all are changing their state. Y and z all are changing 0 to 1, 1 to 0, and 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Only w is constant for pairing of z for this example. So instead of writing all these function terms in a boolean functions, only the answer of all these terms are w only, right? So it is what, it is up to the level of minimize the boolean function. So this is a octet reductions rule. Now we can see the map rolling reductions rule, how we can pair the edges of zero, right? Suppose we can pair this way, this and this. For this example, we can pair this and this. We cannot pair this zero with this zero, right? We can pair this zero with this is called as rolling reductions. So same concept of that, suppose we are taking this pair, right? This and this, one number, column number 1 and column number 9 can pair. Column number 0 can pair with column number 8, also pair with column number 2, but it will not pair with the column number 0 and column number 10. It is pair column number 0 to column number 2, or column number 0 to column number 8, right? Same as one will pair only with 9, no other rolling pair, right? It is one will pair with 3, one will pair with 0, and 1 will pair with 9, right? So this is the rule. 12 will pair with 14, 12 will pair with 4, and 12 will pair with 8. Also 12 will pair with 13, right? So this is a rule of rolling over there. Now suppose we are considering this term 1. So w plus x plus y plus z complement, right? W plus y plus x plus z complement. And if you are considering this ninth number, right, w complement plus x plus y plus z, y plus z are the common for this, so only change is w to w complement. So what is a pair, what is a function for this boolean? It is a function for that x plus y plus z complement, right? W is changing. Now if you are considering this example 12 and 14, so w plus x complements are same for both the terms. So now the term is only change y to y complement. So the function for this pair is w complement plus x complement plus z, right? So this is the rollover. Only two variables we are pairing. We can pair the four variables also there, right? It is a reductions. So now these two can be paired with these two edges. These two can be paired with these two. Suppose the rules for finding the expression is same as, right? But which pair is, which columns are pairing with another column? This is 1 and 3 are pairing with 9 and 11. So you have to do it. You can do it this two, but it will not minimize. If you are using these two and these two, so you will get the three functions, right? But if you are pairing with these four, so you will get only three variable one equation. If you are pairing two variable one equation, if you are pairing these two and these two, you will get two functions, two terms of three variable. So you are using maximum or gate for that, and NAND gate also one NAND gate. So instead of that, you reduce the NAND gate and AND gate. Just because of that, we are going for to minimize the boolean functions, right? So if you are pairing these two with these two, so what is the function for that? W is changes with W complement. Only the X is common. So the X, now here the Y is changes, but the Z complement will be the same. So what is the term for this? X plus Z complement, right? X plus Z complement, right? Only this much terms will come for this whole variable, right? This all four terms only it will reduce with two variable, and that is x plus z complement, right? How much reductions we can do it by using KMAP, and it is the very easiest method. We need not to remember all the booleans rules and all, right? Now here we are considering this term 4, 12, 6, and 14, right? Now here w plus x complement, w complement plus x complement, right? It is a change of w only, w to w complement. The constant are there, the x complement. Now we can see that y plus z is with this y complement plus z, only changes y to y complement, z is constant. So what will be the term for these four zeros? It is x complement plus z, only two variable. So we have reduced this much variable terms, and these all are or gate, these are the and gate. We reduce only with two variable or gate. So that is the beauty of KMAP, to minimize the functions, right? Boolean function. So now this is the example we have reduced. We have seen that the first term is x plus z complement, and second term is x plus z only, right? So now the next is 4, its rollover. So this is mapping with these four, right? Same as these four can be mapping with this also. So you can use the reductions method, map rolling reductions rule. These are, so these are four with this means only x is there, rest all are 0, right? Rest z is also changed, y is also changed, w is also changed, only constant is x. So this is what 8 variables, right? 8 columns are mapping to each other, right? 8 columns are mapping to each other. So these are the certain rule you should remember while solving a KM map. So our first aim is we have to see the KM maps. How many zeros I can do the mapping with each other. I can form the combination of two. I can how many I have forms. I can forms the combination of four. How many zeros I can form the combinations of eight. So we need to see the maximum combinations. Sometimes it comes the overlap that we are going to see in the next example. Now here the overlapping group, right? So how we will do the overlapping group for this function, right? Now these fours are quarter. First we will see the maximum number of zeros. We will club it into the one pair, right? So these four are very close to each other and this can be formed. So we will get the one term with these four zeros. Now this zero and these zeros are left. If I'm considering this zero, so I will get the term of four variable, w complement, x complement, y complement plus z complement. But if I'm pairing with this zero, it will reduce the term of 1, right? Which term of 1 will reduce? It is a reduce of z. So what is the function for this pairing? It is w complement plus x complement plus y complement. Z will not be there. So we can reduce 1 or get. Same as it can be overlap, it can be pair with these zeros also. Same concept what we have applied over here, it will reduce the term, right? W plus x complement plus y, because z complement, z to z complements are changing. So we can use the overlap term in this way also, right? So it may be suppose here and here are 0. So we can form here the 4 0. Suppose here and here also 0. So we can for this 4 ka column. So these rules we have to apply into the um, overlapping groups, rolling mapping, overlapping groups to form the Boolean equation by using a KM map. Now the next example we are going to see that suppose this is the pair, right? So we will pair for this, we will pair for this. It is not necessary to pair for this, right? Because these are engaged with this, these are engaged with this. These 13 number zeros are engaged with to a pair with 12 numbers. 5 number 0 are pair with 7 number. No zeros are left. So it is not necessary do the pairing of this 5 with 13, right? So this will consider, if we look the 5 and 13, the third pair, it reductant group as 5 and 13. It cover the first and second. So we will remove this pair. We will not consider this pair, right? So any zero should not be left. First we'll have to focus and we have to think about that logically, that column is it pairing with other column or not, for using a rollover, for using a overlap, for the very next to the cell of that particular zeros. So we'll have to see the right. Now suppose this is the example, we'll see the example. Reduce the function a b c d. So now if it is a max term, it is denoted by pi. If it is a min term, it is denoted by sum, right? This kind of. So this is the identification of that. So you have to find out the function for product of sum or sum of the product, right? We have to see first this function whether it is a sum or whether it is a pi. If it is a pi, then it is a product of sum. Now all these 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 10 and 15 has to be considered as a 0, and rest column it is 1, right? Now very first step, we'll have to see when it is given any function, we'll have to see that, so how many variables are there. There are a, b, c, d, there are 4 variables, so your k map has to be a 16 cell, right? 2 to the power 4, it is a 16 cell. Then the second, whether it is a product of sum or sum of product, you can identify here. The pi means your variable is given, that is a product of sum. So now first you draw the variable of 16 column, give the labeling of that, your variables. Here it is a b c d, so you have to take here the a b c d, or you have to place here the w x y z, right? So whatever it is given here, so we can do it here only. Now here I have considered w x y z, so you can imagine or you can consider that function of w x y z, don't confuse that, right? So now here the w x y z, w x 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, first write it down. This is by default, you have to write 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0. Now it is a product of sum, so you have to write the terms is w plus x, w plus x complement, w complement plus x complement, w complement plus x, y plus z, y plus z complement, y complement plus z complement, y complement plus z complement. This is a by default. Then give the numbering. Second, third steps is give the numbering of cell, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This numbering you have to do it by default without forgetting the cell, that is 2 here and 3 here. And after 6, 8 is after 7, 8 is start here, 9, 10, 11 and 12, 13, 14, 15. Because what? This is 1, 1, this is 1, 1. So all this, for 15 cell, all the terms are 1 1, right? So this is 1 1 and this is 1 1, right? So you have number all the cell. Now see that 2, 0 is 0, 1 is 0, 2 is 0, 4 is 0, 5 is 0, 7 is 0, 10 is 0 and 15 is 0, right? So these you have done it, the 0. Now look at the example. So now these 4 are combined together, cell number 0, cell number 1, cell number 4 and cell number 5, right? These two 0 are combined together. Now the second, these 0 are combined in a pair, these are the pair, forms the pair of 4 0. Now these two can be form the pair of 2, right? Okay. Now these two 0 are left, this is also forming a pair of 2, right? So now what will be the answer of this pair? It is w plus x, w plus x complement, so x complement are changed. Now here y plus z and y plus z complement, z are changed. What is a constant? Y is constant, here w is constant. So for this pair, our answer is w plus x, right? W plus x. Now for these two pair, what is the answer? Or it is change of w, x complement are same as y complement and z complement. So our answer for these two pair is x complement plus y complement plus z complement, right? The answer for these two rollover mapping, it is change of w complement, it is a x is the same and y complement and z is same. So for this is x plus y complement plus z. Now the function for this is W plus Y bracket complete. Second term is x complement plus y complement plus z complement bracket complete, it is bracket open, then x plus y complement plus z. So it is reduce the function for this. We can see here. The pair of 4 is w plus y. The pair of these two is x complement plus y plus z complement. The pair of this is x plus y complement plus z. Now the function is what? For this, it is w plus y and x complement plus y complement plus z complement and x plus y complement and z. So what is this? These are the product of sum. So that's why it is called as pos. This is a product. This and get. You are producting the each term which are or, right? You are producting the each terms which are or itself, which are sum itself. So this is what product of sum. So this is the reductions method answer, right? Now what are the steps? Prepare the truth table of function for the functions. This is called, we can what we can do it with that. It we can prepare the truth table of for the functions. Right, for 0 0 0 0, it is 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1, it is 0. Then 0 0 0 10, it is 0. Then 0 0 1 1, it is 1. So this way we can prepare the truth table. Draw the k-map of 2 or 3 variable and so on, whatever it is. Fill the cell with 0 which the output is 0. Fill the rest cell with the value is 1. Mark the octets, quarter and pair of 0 and ending. So also check the map rolling overlapping group and remove the reduction group and the reduction expressions to get the final answer, right? These are the steps. Now the next concept is there. We have seen all zero pairing roll map. Now there is a don't care method, right? Don't care. Some of the sum are given. This we have seen into the sum of product also. Now see the example of this. Function A, B, C, D, right? This is what pi. Pi means it is a product of sum. Now these are given the term 6, 7, 8, 9, that is 0. Plus don't care term. D is denoted by don't care. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Don't care means it neither 0 nor 1. It is a don't care. You can consider it with the pair if it is required. If it is not considering, that is also fine. So we should not bother about the don't care. But if it is a use to grouping the pairing the variables or pairing the columns, that time we can use the don't care terms. Now here A, B, C, D, right? Now here it comes the A plus B, A plus B complement, A complement plus B complement, A complement plus B, correct? Everyone understood? C plus D, C plus D complement, C complement plus D complement, and C complement plus D, right? So now second steps is we are giving the numbering here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Clear? Now, what is this? 6 is 0. 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Don't care is what? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right? Now see that this 2 0 can pair with this 4, right? And this 2 0, it is pair with this 4. but we can do it maximum octal number. If we are doing with pair with these four, we'll get two variables equation, right? So we will reduce with eight variables. We can do it pairing with eight columns, so we'll reduce one variable, so we will get only one variable. The function for this boolean expression is this is a 4. If it is a 2, here 2 and 3 are don't care, so what we will get, this is a pair of 8, right? But it is not there, so we can do it the maximum pair of 4. We can do it the pair of 2, pair of 4, pair of 8, not pair of 6, right? So it is 2, 4, 8. So this is 4 pair, right? If we are changing here only the b complement plus c complement. So for this pair is, it is a b complement plus c complement. For this pair, only a complement are constant, rest all are changed. This c and d are changed 0 to 1 and 1 to 0, and b is also changed 1 to 0. So only a are constant, so a complement. The function for these expressions are there: a complement into b complement plus c complement, right? The functions for this boolean expression is, the function of a b c d is a complement into b complement plus c complement. So what is this? One OR gate and one NAND gate is required to form the function of this. Pause. Understood? Now the next we can compare what mean and max, right? So suppose a function is given there a b, this is the q and g, right? So a b q and g, and this is sum of m, means these all term are considered, should consider as a 1, right? If it is a given, and their terms are product, their terms and product, and all the terms are sum, right? And here this is pi and a capital M, that means all the terms are considered as a 0, right? And their terms are sum, and all the sum terms are product. So this is called as the product of sum, and this is called as the sum of product. That's the difference between. So you need to focus first how many variable. Second terms is, you need to see that whether the terms are given sum of the product or product of the sum. If it is a sum of the product, so all these terms are considered as a 1, and group of 1, group of all the ones, you have to focus on the 1, not on the 0. And all the terms are the product terms, and whatever the terms you will get, that has to be a sum, so it is called as the sum of product. Now here, if it is a given this max term, this is min term, small m is considered as a min term, and it is related with the 1, right? This is capital M, it is a max term. So max term means what? It is a 0. So we need to consider all the 0 terms, and that all the sum terms are product, you will get the sum terms, and all sum terms has to be a product. Here you have to consider the 0. But again, one change of there, if here in a sum of product, if the term is 0, so that is a complement. Here the term is 0, it is only the same term, it is not a complement. If it is a one term, that terms is a complement term. So that change you have to keep it into the mind. Rest, the groupism, overlapping, group of 2, group of 4, group of 8, overlapping, rollover, everything, all the concept are same while solving. So now your job is, first you solve the sum of product sum, then the second the product of sum, and then the one sum it solve with both the sum of product and the product of sum. Is there any questions? We have referred these books, Digital Electronics, by A.G. Godse and D.A. Godse, and the digital electronics A. Arvind Kumar. And this the websites I have referred for this the KMF. So if there are any questions, girls, you can ask the questions.